This is Kilo, and today we hit 500 subscribers. And I wanted to say, first of all, thank you to everybody who subscribed. Um, it's still crazy to me. I started this channel at the end of May, and we're already at 501 subscribers as of making this video here. So I just wanted to let you guys know I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support, for the donations. It all helps contribute to, it really helps me, bring you guys more content. It helps with, giveaway prizes like this. And I just wanted to say thank you. And I know a lot of you have been looking forward to the giveaway. So one of my most popular videos that I have uploaded has been on impressioning keys. And I get a lot of questions about this tool right here that I use, the handheld Lishi key cutter. So I thought it would be fitting to make this the giveaway prize. The winner will receive a brand new handheld Lishi key cutter, a set of 5 setup keys. This is the Y11, which is the most common key that a locksmith would reach for when impressioning locks. And if you guys would like to know how this all works, I will leave a video right here showing you guys exactly how this tool works and how to impression keys. And what a setup key is all I've done is I've cut the first, depth all the way across to let you guys really have a better understanding of spacing when impressioning a key. So many people, they recommend that you take a marker and you mark the top of the key blade and blacken it up. But the problem is that when you insert the key, you're going to kind of do this up and down and back and forth motion. And when you're new, a lot of times you go so crazy that sometimes you pull the key out back and forth and you'll end up with like 3 marks all around. And you won't really know which one to start with. And then that causes you to go through multiple keys. So using the setup key method really helps. A lot of you guys were asking for tips on impressioning. I would definitely recommend that before impressioning. I would just, go to your code machine and cut yourself a setup key. But I do sell these in sets of 5 on the Etsy store. These are 5 Y11 setup keys. So that is the giveaway prize, as well as you will receive a Kilo decal with your winning key cutter here. So to enter the giveaway, all that you guys have to do, there are 2 ways to earn entries. So the first way is to comment on any video you'd like with the hashtag KiloArmy. KiloArmy is a hashtag a lot of you guys agreed on that you guys liked. So if you comment on any video with the hashtag KiloArmy, you will be entered one time for this giveaway. It will only count once. So even if you comment on 100 videos, your name will only be entered one time. The second way to enter the giveaway is to share any video on this channel on social media. All you'll have to do is just email me over a link to let me know where it's shared at. Or if it's in a private group, you could screenshot it and send me the screenshot, and that will count as your second entry. So again, the comment down below with KiloArmy will count as 1. Even if it's on multiple videos, you get 1 entry, and sharing it on social media is 1 entry. So even if you share it on, 3 different platforms, only one of those counts as an entry. So I wish you guys all the luck in the world on, your winning of this prize. And again, thank you guys for supporting the channel. I hope you guys do like the giveaway prize. I've received so many emails about this tool and impressioning, especially from the lock sport community. They're more known for picking, but impressioning is just an art form and a skill of its own, and I know a lot of people want to learn how to impression. So I just wanted to say thank you again. I wish you guys all the luck. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a nice day.